Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you apply it once and remove unwanted armpit hair, bikini line hair with very simple ingredients at home. You can get rid of unwanted hair and the hair will not, by using this on a regular basis, your hair will not gonna grow back again. This is a permanent solution and it doesn't have any kind of wax or no pain. Without wax, the hair will not gonna grow back again, and this magical remedy works 100%. It is super effective and super helpful. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new video you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. What we need: in a clean mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of starch, corn starch, then add on it 1 teaspoon of baking soda or baking powder, then we need to add 1 teaspoon of milk powder. If you don't have milk powder, you can add milk, just milk, like as it is, like so. Now we need to mix very well the dry ingredients. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, then we need to add around 10 ml of vinegar, white vinegar. Here I'm using white vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar if you don't have white vinegar, but I prefer to use white vinegar in this remedy. Add it like so. And mix well all the ingredients. We need to mix very well all the ingredients, my friends. After we mix and combine the ingredients, as you can tell, the Vaseline didn't mix very well, but we can add on the cotton ball some of the Vaseline like so, because it helps a lot in the remedy, and apply it on the skin like that. Apply it on the armpit area and the bikini line area like so. Leave it to dry out completely, and after it dries out you're going to find the hair is falling off on its own and you're going to get rid of it. And by using this remedy on a regular basis, the hair will grow very thin and it's not gonna grow the same. Every time you're using the remedy, the hair will grow very thin and very weak and the hair will fall off and you will get rid of it permanently, my friends.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you. And if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you.